Transformation. Transformation in the society and the community is very important to take place. How will that take place? All the above mentioned principles that we have talked about, the diversity, the acceptance, the differences, the similarities in communities, all these views, if taken practically, would enable participants to transform the community towards achieving better results. On the other hand, if this is not accepted, the community would lead towards disaster, and there is going to be no improvement and no change in the community towards going and achieving goals, targets, and moving towards progress. Families, students, and communities would become the center of classroom life. That would be a transformed community. That would be a transformed society in which everything that is happening in the family, in the school, in the community would be part of the classroom learning. How is it going to take place? Because everybody is accepting every other being in the community and the school and the family. Everyone in the community knows what is happening in the families, who is progressing towards which goal. The schools would be informing everything to the parents and the communities. So that means this communication is so common between everyone that everybody knows about the community, about the classroom learning, about what is happening in the family. So there will be nothing to be surprised about. There will be nothing to be shocked about. Everybody is sharing. Everybody is supporting. Everyone would contribute and enrich the classroom experience. For example, let us take a case study in which the school comes to know about a family who needs some financial help. The community also knows about it because the communication is well developed in this particular community and school and family. So how are they going to bring that experience into the classroom? It is a way of doing things. That is, the community provides some financial help to the student who is studying in the school. The school can waive off the fee of the student because he is going through a difficult time. The family can appreciate what is happening in the school for their child and can do some community work. The school would be knowing about the family participating in the community work. The community would be appreciating the family's contribution to the community and would thus provide opportunities for the family to work somewhere, maybe arrange for a job so that the family can come out of the economic crisis. So everybody in the class knows that if there would be a problem with any of them, if they would be having a similar problem, it would be not just criticized, but people will be there helping them to get out of the problem. And therefore, the students in the classroom would also be believing in helping and supporting people. The attitude of the students will be developed by the teacher in the classroom that if somebody has a need, we all need to help him. The teacher would be the one who would be talking and teaching about these values, that if someone has a problem, it is not to be looked at as a problem, rather there has to be solution to it. There has to be help extended to it. And that is exactly an Islamic society. It should be like that. Exactly that is the picture of an Islamic society, where when people face problems, the whole community, the school administration, the families, everybody comes forward to help the person, and that is the meaning of an Islamic society, and that is how it is described.